So in this video, I am going to show you my favorite Ivy Park times Adidas items that I have purchased, starting with the first drop. But first, I'm going to do a little unboxing video of the most recent drop, which is Icy Park. And I'm going to be honest and say this wasn't my favorite collection, because I'm not a fan of monogram and I can't keep white things clean to save my life, so I didn't want to set myself up for failure. But my favorite collection is the first drop, but I'll get into that later. So I only got 3 items that I was really interested in. As you can see in the video, I got the the 3X small track pants, the small track jackets, and the X small latex dress. So I'll show you guys, I'll do a try on at the end of the video, but I'm going to start with the first drop 1. And my favorite item from this collection is this dress. I love this dress. Now, the only thing I don't really like about it is that it doesn't stay up when I walk. So, like, you have to constantly be pulling it down. But you know, anything for fashion. And yeah, so underneath I have like a waist trainer, not a waist trainer, but like a corset, which is a waist trainer. I'm wearing a corset and like a faja. So that's why I'm looking like somebody that just had surgery, but no surgery, just waist trainer and faja. And this fit is also my favorite for like lounging around, or like if I am going on a trip, like in the airport. When my most recent trip to Charlotte, this is what I wore, and it was super comfortable. I just like it for like chill days, you know, like going to the grocery store, something like that. It's just something you can throw on. But yeah. Now this jacket is my favorite. This jacket and the Icy Park jacket, these two are my favorite, and I'm going to show you why in a little bit. But this, I don't know what size this is. I'll figure it out, and if you guys are really interested, I'll let you know in the comments. But the double zipper, that is my favorite part of this jacket. I absolutely love the double zipper. Now, the other drips, drip 2 and drip 2.2, like they didn't have the double zipper. I still got the jacket, but I don't really like, that's not my favorite item. So also, there is a little difference with the Icy Park jacket, and I'll show you when we get to it. But moving on to drip 2, I am there was only like 2 things that was like my really absolute favorite, and that was this like raincoat type of jacket. I absolutely love this jacket, and you can see like the faja that I'm wearing underneath. I just wore this with the jacket, but yeah. I'm going to show you also the main reason why I really love this jacket, because if it's like a warm day and you don't be walking around with a jacket, but if you know it's going to rain at some point in the day, like if you're in Florida or something like that, you can just pack it all up in the pocket that's also like a bag and zip it up. You could probably fit your keys in there too. I don't know. I wouldn't try it. But yeah, you just zip it right up, and then you can just wear it as a fanny pack. And that's why I love it. I absolutely love that like versatility and functionality of this jacket. So that's why I included it in this video, because all the other jackets from the other collections I don't see myself really liking, but this one, yeah. So moving on to drip 2.2, starting with my most favorite item in this collection is this little jumpsuit right here. I love this like so much. Like it's simple, and it's like simple and extra at the same time, and that's why I like it. Like there's not like, it's not obvious that it's Icy Park. I mean that it's Ivy Park. I mean, okay, maybe if like you know it's Ivy Park, but I like that it doesn't have, you know, all these big wording and stuff on it. It's just really simple and classy. During the winter, like I'll wear some tights underneath it, so it'll look like just a one, like an entire suit with some boots or something like that. But anyways, Moving on, this jumpsuit I also really liked because of the mesh arms, and I also like the logo doesn't really stand out like in Drip 2. I didn't get the green one because I don't like how the different color Ivy Park was on the arms just in your face like that. So yeah, I'm just modeling it with the sweatpants from the first collection so you guys can see. But yeah, I really like this jumpsuit and I usually wear it with like some jeans or something. But moving on. Now, to the moment we've all been waiting for, Icy Park. Now, like I said before, this wasn't my favorite collection because it was just too in your face, and I'm not like a too in your face person, but I did like this latex dress a lot. As soon as I saw it, I was like, I have to get it because I'm a dress person. So yeah, I had to get it, and I absolutely love it. This is size X small, the smallest that's available, and just so you can like have a comparison, I am 5'4", 3/4 of an inch. My license says 5'5" though. And I weigh 60 kilograms, which is like 130 pounds. My waist with a corset is like 23 inches. Without is like, I don't know, 24, 25. And yeah, my hips are 37 inches. So, and I don't have any boobs at all. I'm the smallest size in bras that is available. So that's kind of like my measurements. So if you guys want to compare if it's still available and you're still able to buy it, you can like use that as a comparison. So yeah, those are my measurements with a size X small. And this is actually really warm. So I was wearing it inside, and even though it's like wintertime or whatever, I started to sweat a little bit. So this is not a summer dress. Don't wear this in the summer. But it is perfect for the winter, I have to say that. What else? Yeah, I really like, I'm not a fan of latex because I just feel like a BDSM type of person, like in public. And I don't really care. But that's why I didn't get like the latex pants because, yeah. But yeah, this dress I loved. Now moving on to this track pants. I told you guys that I didn't like the white in this Icy Park because I don't know how to act when it comes to items that are white, but these pants I really, really liked. I mean, the whole set I really, really liked. Even though the monogram is on there, it wasn't like in your face. That's what I really liked about it. And these are size 3X small and they fit really snug. Now, the pocket is one of those things where you have to, like, I don't know, cut it open at the top, but there is like a way for it to be a pocket. There's also pockets at the sides, as you can see. And there's also a drawstring on the inside, so that's really nice. But I really like the way these fit, and together with the jacket, it's really cool. And I'm gonna like, I don't know. Oh, let me show you first. So the if you notice, the zipper is on the other side. So in the first drop, the double zipper was on the left side, and on this in this camera view facing you is on the right side. So that was the main difference. And of course, like the zippers are designed differently. There's pockets in it, like the first one. But I really like that this is size small. Now I could have gotten an X small, but I always like, even in the first drop that I showed you, the jacket is like big just like this. But because I like my um jackets to be kind of oversized. That's just me because I like to wear it as a dress sometimes. Like, I can just wear it with a dress and some boots. So that's why I always get my sweaters oversized. But yeah, this is a size small and it's really big. Like the arms are really big. So I don't know, maybe if you don't want to wear it as big, you would probably get away with like a X small or like a XX small. the the 3X small, I got it in the drip too, and I didn't like how small it was. That's why I knew I wasn't gonna get that small again. But I like this length. And this jacket, I just like everything about it. And I mentioned on an earlier video that I really want her to bring back the double zipper, and she did. So this is personal for me, This is personal, but yeah, really love this jacket. I really like the pattern. Like, if when I do go back to the US, this is what I want to wear in the airport because it's super comfortable. Super, super comfortable. I just like how you can like versatile, like make it different I just love the versatility of this jacket. Now the other collections, I don't like the zipper was just a one zipper, so that's why I didn't include those jackets in here. But probably I will get this jacket from every collection she drops because I just like the versatility. Like I can wear it as a dress, I can wear it literally with anything and make it look nice. So I can dress it up and dress it down. And yeah, and also the main reason why I got this, even though it was white, is I'm gonna have to put my big girl pants on and act like an adult and try to keep it white. But it's like not directly white like some of the other items. It's like an off-white cream type whatever thing. And I'm just going to show you real quick. It's the inside of this is similar to the first drop. So drip 2 and drip 2.2 is kind of like a fuzzy microfiber type fabric on the inside, but this is like a mesh fabric. So yeah, thanks for watching, and yeah.